Hi and welcome to the second episode of my devlog series. This week there is a number of things I want to focus on, but the first thing I want to get out of the way is that I want to release the alpha version of the game, so let's get to work. First I made the main menu that takes me an eternity to make, but somehow I got it working. The main problem in making the main menu is, when I drag the script in the button, it only show on the option that is mono script. Then after 5,000 Google searches later, I realize that I have to drag script in the event system, then I have to drag the event system and button as a component, then it works. As it take me an eternity to fix. Professional guy. I didn't make the 3-dot system that leads to shop and other stuff, because I think that it would be great if added in beta version of the game. I create a list of all the things I had to do on Trello.com, then created a spreadsheet of what buttons do, and the connection of buttons in Milanote. I didn't do so much this day, because I have so much freelancing work today. This was the most boring day because at first, I created an account on itch.io, then created the alpha build for Windows x86 or 32-bit, Windows x86_64 or 64-bit, WebGL, and Linux. I don't have much time today, because I had so much work of online classes. That's why I can't do anything about it. I have so much online work and some freelancing work, so I don't have time these 3 days to work on the game. That's really going to be it for this week's episode. I will try and upload weekly as long as I have something to show. Obviously, if 1 week I've got nothing new, then I'm probably not going to make a new episode, but as long as I manage to implement new things, then I will definitely try and upload regularly. That's the plan. Anyway, so I want to thank everyone who subscribed, watched, or liked, and comment on the video. That means a lot. And also, if you're interested in getting a bit more involved in the community, I have a Discord server where I post GIFs, and we just kind of have some general discussions about things, which is fun. So if you're interested, there is a link down below, and a link to download my game's alpha version. But yeah, that's going to be it for this week's episode. I want to thank everyone for watching, and I will hopefully catch you guys next week.